Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing another room reveal. I've been getting so many different requests on what does the rest of your house look like. I have all this black and white going throughout the house. Everybody's seen my room, my bathroom. So I've been getting a lot of requests on what does the rest of your house look like. So I'm standing in my living room. I'm gonna give you guys a full reveal of all of my home decor, and I'll let you know where I purchased everything from, so maybe you can go out and find some of this stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is my entertainment area. I hung my TV on the wall. You will see in one of my other videos how I did that, so go ahead and check that out. I have these two mirrors that I purchased from HomeGoods. Now they were actually a rustic color, and I just spray painted them white to match the rest of my decor. And I purchased this buffet or entertainment center, I guess I'm using it as. I purchased it from HomeGoods. I thought that it was perfect for my home decor black and white theme. Now this I purchased for less than $100 because it had a couple of nicks on it, but that's fine, nobody can tell. Now inside of it, I just use it for like holding a lot of my candles because I am truly a hoarder of candles. I love burning them, so that's why you see like probably like 20 candles in here. But I just have my DVDs, candles, and more candles, and a DVD player, so that's all I have in there. Nothing too exciting. But so cute. A lot of the decor that I have on top of here is just a lot of the stuff that I had hanging around the house. So I purchased the candle holders from Hobby Lobby. I purchased the flowers from HomeGoods. Again, HomeGoods. Hobby Lobby candles are from HomeGoods. The books that I purchased are from Amazon, and this one's actually from Z Gallery. This is from HomeGoods, and the base is from HomeGoods as well. Now, this candle is actually a custom candle that I purchased from one of my girlfriends. I can link her website down in the comment box so you guys can go check out her custom artwork stuff. So yep, that's custom done. It goes with all of my other Chanel stuff that I have going out with that throughout the house. So I thought that was just like a cute personal touch that she actually made for me. So here, I just wanted like a wreath on my door. I love how it looks during the Christmas time, but I wanted something that I can enjoy inside the house, so that's why I bought this one. And again, yes, it's white. I love white. I just love it. And right here in my little entryway, I wanted to make sure that I had like a tall standing mirror. That way, when I'm walking out the door, I can, you know, check myself before I leave. So I got the mirror from HomeGoods, and then I have like this pot with some sticks in it. The pot again is from HomeGoods as well. I purchased these lamps from Overstock, and I got super excited because the lamp base actually has a design that goes with the other design that I have going around the whole house. So I got super excited. It's silver, it's chrome looking, it's very shiny. It goes with a lot of the other mirror and silver that I have going throughout the house as well. So I thought that was just absolutely perfect. The lamps did come with a white shade, and I did not like how that looked against the white walls. So I went to Lamps Plus and I purchased two of the black shades, and I think that it looks awesome right now. And the candle and the flowers I purchased from HomeGoods. Now the end tables I purchased from Overstock as well. I thought these added just a great touch to the room. It has the black, it has the mirror. I just thought that these were perfect. I got so excited when I saw the mirror end tables with the black, and then I saw the lamps together. I was like, oh, God's talking to me right now. I need both of them. All right. So let's go ahead and move on to the curtains. Now, as you can see, the curtains have the same design as the rest of, you know, the mirrors and the lamp base. So yeah, I just totally went all out. I'm like super matchy, but I love it. My sectional I purchased from Mathis Brothers. So I'm in Southern California, and Mathis Brothers is located in Ontario. So what I really liked about this option was that Mathis Brothers allows you to customize your sofa. So I was able to pick the direction that I wanted. I was able to do the length that I wanted. I was able to, you know, pick what type of armrest I wanted, what type of cushions I wanted, how many cushions I wanted. I was also able to pick the fabric. Now I was gonna go with a white sofa, but I thought that would get way too dirty. And I also was gonna do a black sofa, but I thought that that was gonna be a little bit overpowering. So I went with this gray one. I absolutely love it. I think it just goes with all of the black and white decor with the silver. So I think this is perfect. Now I purchased the black and this leopard looking pillow with the actual sofa. You are able to pick, you know, design your own pillows as well. So I have that, and then I purchased these silver Calvin Klein pillows from HomeGoods, and then I also purchased these from HomeGoods as well, these white, furry, nice, furry, soft pillows. I purchased these from HomeGoods, which actually has the same design as my curtains, as my lamp base, and as my little mirrors over there. So, as you can see, I'm very matchy, but it's all good. I mean, that's just me. I love it. Just really good. Now, on to my cocktail table. I purchased this cocktail table from IKEA. Yes, from IKEA. I absolutely love it. Me and my girlfriend, we put it together. I think it's so cute, so darling. I believe it was like just under $200, but it's so cute. And you know, it has like this pull-out area that you can put stuff in. So I put like just the fake flower. I put books inside of it, my Chanel, my Marilyn, to tie all my decor in. I have this little setup here that I absolutely love. I think it looks so chic. I purchased like this fragrance from Sephora. And then my books I purchased from Amazon, my Tom Ford and my Chanel book. And then I just have this candle with this glass covering over it. But I just think it's just so, like, very chic. I love it. I love this setup. I love how it looks. It just makes me really happy. Yeah, I love it. Now, the rug that I purchased is actually from Target. And it, again, has the same design as the pillows, the lamp base, curtains, and my mirrors. So, yes, I'm very matchy, but I love it. I love it. I love my home. I love it, love it, love it. And I have pictures on the wall of Marilyn, and I purchased these from HomeGoods. Now, as you guys know in my other videos, I have been looking for mirrored frames, and I haven't been able to find them. So I went to HomeGoods and I purchased mirrors that had framed mirror around it. I went to my local framing shop and I had them cut the inside of the mirror out, put some glass, put my picture, and then just put like a wood backing. So that's what you see here. That's what I had them do. And then the center mirror is from HomeGoods. So you can see one of my other videos on my YouTube channel where I did that. But other than that, it's my living room. Oh, one other thing. Right here I have just like a basket with pillows and blankets. So if I want to snuggle up while I'm watching TV when it's cold outside, I have that, extra pillows. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my living room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it took a little bit of time, but as you can see, I put in a lot of effort, a lot of detail, and I just absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing another video to show you the rest of the downstairs with my dining room area and my kitchen area. So I'm super excited to show you what that looks like. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.